writing now, I'm sorry. This is description of the picture. Page is 132 and SLO is number 10. This is the activity. Look at the picture below and describe it in your own words. Talk to the students about the picture. लेकिन अंग्रेजी में. You'll talk to the students in the simplest possible English because the children are of class 2. And you'll talk to them about the activity shown in the picture. You may talk to them in terms of questions too. What are these children doing? And tell the children that they'll try to answer your questions in English. And then, after you have talked to them in English, tell them to write a few simple and short sentences. And then finally, write on the board your own description too. आप अपनी तरफ से भी जुमले बना के लाएंगे और फिर बोर्ड पर लिखेंगे. Well, that is all for this tutorial, honorable teacher. But before I say Allah Hafiz to you, it was a good experience. हमने पहले क्लास 1 के ट्यूटोरियल्स किए, फिर क्लास 2 के ट्यूटोरियल किए और एक कंटिन्यूटी की फीलिंग आती है मुझे. तो बात यह है ऑनरेबल टीचर कि इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. ये जो लैंग्वेज लर्निंग है ये कोई 2-4 दिन का खेल नहीं है. ये मैं बातें इसलिए कर रहा हूँ कि ये क्लास 2 के ट्यूटोरियल्स का ये आखिरी ट्यूटोरियल था. इसके बाद आपसे मुलाकात होगी क्लास 3 के ट्यूटोरियल्स पर. सो द पॉइंट इज के ये लैंग्वेज लर्निंग बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस है, उम्रों का खेल है. लेकिन माय पॉइंट इज दैट टेक अ स्टार्ट एंड टेक इट सीरियसली. मेहनत लगती है मगर फायदा तो लर्नर का ही है ना. और आप सबसे पहले ये सोचिए कि आपके if you learn a language seriously, who are the people who are going to benefit from it? First of all, your own family, your own children, your own near and dear ones. But for that, you will have to use or make the full use of the sources of learning. Dictionary is one, listening to people who speak very well is 2, and trying to practice the good intonation and the right pronunciation is another thing. So I wish you the very best in your journey of learning English language. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.